Okay, so now we've opened our iMovie and your interface should look something like this. If you've imported things before, you will see a few different items in iMovie. For now, what we're going to do is we're going to achieve objective number one, which is to know the three main windows in iMovie. So the three main windows are the project timeline or project library window, which is in the top left here. The viewer window, which is in the top right, that's where any video you have you'll be able to see. And then the bottom here right now, this is the event library. So those are your three windows. And in the middle here, we have our toolbar, editing toolbar. This is in iMovie 9 where you do most of your work. So there are two things we're going to do before we get started. The first thing is we are going to go under File and create New Event. And we will name that event iMovie class. Now that's here. And then we will go to New Project. And under New Project, you can choose if you want a movie trailer or a certain theme you want in your movie. But for us, we're not going to have a theme. We'll click No Theme, which is the default. And we're going to call this iMovie class project or whatever you would like to name it. And then you hit Create. And so again, in your three windows now, you have your project here, your event library here, and your viewer window here. There are two final things we are going to do right now before we begin for iMovie 9 to be easier to use. The first is we're going to switch these two windows. All you have to do is click these two, the double arrow box like this. And now your project timeline is on the bottom so you can see more of your project. Your event library is here in the top left, and your viewer window stays the same. That's the first thing. The next thing, go up to your iMovie menu, click on Preferences, and make sure that Show Advanced Tools is checked because we'll need those later on. And now you're set up to import your movie and video from your phone.